Hey there, friends. Are you dealing with achy knees, stiff joints, or swollen legs? You're not alone. Many of us think it's just part of getting older, but here's the truth. It's often a sign that your body isn't getting enough collagen. By age 65, your natural collagen production drops by more than half, leaving your joints feeling fragile and your legs heavy. But here's the good news. Science shows that eating the right foods can help rebuild collagen, reduce swelling, and even restore mobility. In fact, studies reveal that specific nutrient-rich foods can cut leg swelling by up to 47% in just 8 weeks. Today we're diving into the top 8 foods packed with collagen-boosting power. These aren't just ordinary ingredients, they're game changers for your joints and legs. Stick around until the end, because the number one food on this list has an incredible 61% more collagen than anything else out there. And guess what? Most seniors have never even tried it. This superstar food boosted skin elasticity and joint fluid density by 63% in clinical trials, with visible results in under 30 days. Ready to transform how your legs feel? Let's get started. But first, quick question. How old are you? Drop your age in the comments below. We're reading every single one and replying to each of you. Now, let's kick things off with food number 8, a humble yet powerful ingredient hiding right in your kitchen. Food number 8, egg yolks. Egg yolks, believe it or not, are a quiet hero when it comes to supporting collagen production. While egg whites are famous for their protein, the yolk is where the magic happens. It's rich in biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D, key players that help your body create collagen more efficiently. Sulfur, in particular, is essential for building the amino acids that form collagen. Without it, your connective tissues weaken, leading to sore joints, weak ligaments, and puffiness in your legs. Here's the proof. A 2020 study followed adults who added whole eggs to their breakfast 5 times a week. After 10 weeks, they reported a 22% drop in joint discomfort, especially in their knees and lower back. Blood tests showed improved collagen levels and reduced inflammation markers like C-reactive protein, CRP. The best part? Seniors over 60 saw the most dramatic improvements because they were the ones who needed it most. To maximize the benefits, eat your yolks soft-cooked, poached, gently fried in olive oil, or soft-boiled. Avoid scrambling them dry, as heat can damage those precious nutrients. And don't worry about cholesterol. Recent research shows that for most seniors, whole eggs won't spike harmful cholesterol levels. Instead, they support HDL, the good cholesterol that protects your heart. So next time you crack an egg, don't skip the yolk. It's quietly working behind the scenes to keep your joints strong and your legs light. Food number 7, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds might be tiny, but they pack a mighty punch when it comes to collagen production and joint repair. What makes them so special? It's not collagen itself, it's the trace minerals inside. Zinc, magnesium, and manganese team up to create the perfect environment for your body to produce collagen from scratch. Zinc activates enzymes that build collagen, magnesium reduces inflammation and supports muscle function, and manganese strengthens connective tissue, making it elastic and resilient. In a 2021 study, seniors who ate just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks experienced a 27% boost in joint flexibility and a 19% reduction in leg and foot swelling. Blood tests revealed higher levels of collagen precursors and lower oxidative stress markers. The best results came from participants over 65 who had been struggling with stiffness and limited movement. For maximum absorption, enjoy your pumpkin seeds raw or lightly roasted. Soaking them overnight in water with a pinch of sea salt can unlock their full mineral potential by reducing phytic acid, which blocks nutrient uptake. Once soaked, you can dry roast them for crunch or blend them into oatmeal or smoothies. Whether you snack on them straight or sprinkle them over meals, pumpkin seeds are an easy way to protect your joints and reduce swelling. Your knees and ankles will thank you. Food number 6, bone-in canned salmon. Bone-in canned salmon is a hidden gem when it comes to collagen-rich foods. Those soft, edible bones are loaded with natural collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin, all vital for rebuilding cartilage and reinforcing the structural framework around your joints. If you've been noticing stiffness in your knees, hips, or ankles, this food could be your secret weapon. A 2020 study found that seniors who ate 3 servings of bone-in salmon weekly saw a 32% improvement in knee flexibility and a 21% drop in inflammation markers like CRP after just 10 weeks. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon teamed up with collagen peptides to soothe swelling and promote new tissue growth. Participants also reported less pain while standing, walking, or climbing stairs. To get the most benefit, choose wild-caught canned salmon with the bones intact. Don't worry. They're soft and easy to mash into salads, spread onto avocado toast, or stir into grain bowls. The key is to eat both the meat and the bones together as they work synergistically to nourish your joints. Affordable, shelf-stable, and simple to prepare, bone-in salmon is a no-brainer for anyone looking to support their joints naturally. Food number 5, chicken skin. Chicken skin has gotten a bad rap over the years, but when it comes to collagen support, it's actually one of the best sources you can eat. Why? Because it contains type 1 collagen, the exact kind found in your joints, cartilage, and ligaments. Eating chicken skin gives your body the raw materials it needs to repair joint linings, rebuild cushioning tissue, and fight inflammation that leads to stiffness and swelling. A clinical trial published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences found that adults over 55 who consumed type 1 collagen from poultry sources daily reported a 40% improvement in joint comfort and a 33% reduction in stiffness within 12 weeks. Imaging showed fewer signs of cartilage breakdown, and participants noticed reduced ankle swelling and smoother knee movement. To enjoy chicken skin at its best, cook it slowly and gently. Baking, roasting, or simmering it in broth preserves the collagen content without introducing unhealthy fats. Skip deep frying, as it can trigger inflammation. Look for bone-in, skin-on cuts like thighs, wings, or drumsticks for the best flavor and nutrition. Serve them shredded in salads, simmered in soups, or enjoyed straight off the bone. That crispy or tender layer might take some getting used to, but trust me, it's worth it. Your knees and hips will feel the difference. Food number 4, gelatin. Gelatin is one of the most direct and bioavailable sources of collagen you can consume. Think of it as pre-cooked collagen extracted from bones, skin, and connective tissue. When you eat gelatin, it goes straight to work repairing your joints, tendons, and ligaments. For seniors, especially those with poor digestion or chronic leg swelling, gelatin offers a fast-acting, natural way to soothe sore joints. In a 2018 double-blind study, older adults with mild to moderate joint pain took gelatin supplements for 6 weeks. The results? A 37% improvement in joint mobility and a 27% reduction in knee and ankle inflammation. Even better, MRI scans showed early signs of cartilage thickening, a rare occurrence in aging adults without surgery. Some participants noticed improvements in as little as 2 weeks. To incorporate gelatin into your diet, opt for unflavored, grass-fed powder without additives. Stir it into warm water, tea, or bone broth until dissolved. You can also use it to make collagen-rich gummies or thicken soups and stews. Consistency is key. Even a small daily dose can lead to long-term improvements in joint function and reduced swelling. Gelatin doesn't just ease pain, it strengthens the tendons and connective tissues that hold everything together. For seniors tired of stiff legs or burning sensations after walking, gelatin could be your ticket to smoother, pain-free movement. Food number 3. Sardines with skin and bones. Sardines are a collagen powerhouse hiding in plain sight, especially when you eat them with the skin and bones included. Those soft, edible bones are packed with type 1 collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and natural gelatin, all the building blocks your joints need to stay strong and pain-free. The skin adds elastin and omega-3 fats, which work together to reduce inflammation and stimulate tissue repair. A 2022 study found that seniors who added 3 servings of whole sardines to their weekly diet saw a 29% reduction in joint pain, a 25% decrease in swelling around the knees and ankles, and improved markers of collagen synthesis in their blood. The effects were particularly noticeable in people over 65 with early signs of arthritis. To reap the benefits, choose canned sardines packed in water or olive oil, not soybean oil or heavy sauces. Mash them into avocado toast, mix them into salads, or stir them into rice bowls for a flavorful meal. If the taste is too strong at first, try blending them with Greek yogurt and mustard for a creamy spread. Sardines may seem unassuming, but they deliver a powerful punch of collagen and joint protection. If you've been avoiding them, it might be time to rethink that choice. Your legs could feel the difference in just a few weeks. Food number 2. Bone broth. Bone broth isn't just comforting soup, it's liquid gold for your joints. Simmering bones for hours releases gelatin, type 1 and 2 collagen, glycine, proline, and a host of other nutrients that directly target inflammation, stiffness, and connective tissue breakdown. For seniors dealing with chronic leg swelling or creaky knees, bone broth delivers some of the fastest, most absorbable collagen support available. A 2021 study found that seniors who drank 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily for 12 weeks experienced a 44% reduction in joint swelling and a 38% improvement in mobility and pain scores. Ultrasound imaging confirmed thicker cartilage in the knee joint, proving that bone broth doesn't just relieve symptoms, it heals from within. To make your own, use bones with plenty of connective tissue like chicken backs, turkey necks, or beef knuckles. Simmer them for 12 to 24 hours with onion, garlic, apple cider vinegar, and herbs. The vinegar helps draw minerals out of the bones. If homemade isn't an option, look for refrigerated or frozen broths with no additives. Sip it plain or use it as a base for soups, stews, or cooking grains. Bone broth hydrates, cushions, and strengthens your joints, helping you walk with confidence instead of dragging your feet. Food number 1. Beef tendons. And now the grand finale, the number 1 collagen-rich food on earth. Beef tendons. These unassuming cuts might not sound glamorous, but they're hands down the most collagen-dense food you can eat. Made almost entirely of type 1 collagen, beef tendons release powerful peptides and gelatin when cooked properly, targeting the connective tissues that deteriorate with age. A 2022 clinical trial found that seniors over 60 who ate collagen-rich tendon stew 3 times a week showed a 63% improvement in joint fluid density, a 41% reduction in knee stiffness, and enhanced walking stability. MRI scans confirmed regeneration of soft tissue cushioning around major joints. Best of all, many participants noticed improvements in under 30 days. To prepare beef tendons, slow cook them in broth for 8 to 12 hours until they become soft, jelly-like, and easily chewable. Add garlic, ginger, and rice vinegar for flavor and digestion support. Once tender, chop them into soups, stews, or noodle bowls. Start with small portions if you're new to them, and pair with bone broth or soft vegetables to ease into the texture. Beef tendons rebuild what time takes away, restoring glide to your knees, tightening loose connective tissue, and refilling the cushioning in your hips. If you're tired of pain while walking or standing, this food could be your ticket to real movement and comfort. There you have it, 8 real collagen-rich foods that can transform your joints, strengthen your legs, and flush out painful swelling. No pills, no gimmicks, just wholesome, proven nutrition. Your body is always trying to heal itself. You just need to give it the tools to do it. So tell me, which of these foods are you adding to your meals this week? Let me know in the comments. I'm reading and replying to every single one. And if you want more senior-focused health tips that truly work, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your legs deserve a second chance, and your journey starts right here. Thanks for watching.